Hey guys, welcome to Wiki Procedure Video channel and kindly subscribe our channel for more informative videos. So in this video, we are going to see how to renew a fertilizer insecticide manufacturing license in Chhattisgarh. The link I'm highlighting right now is provided below description of this video. You can click on it to reach this page. So next, to apply online, please click on this link that we have provided over here. Once you click on this link, it will be directed to go to this page. So now in the login section, you have to enter username, password, and then click on the login button. So after successful login, go to the instruction and guidelines carefully. Then click on the tab to move the next page. Then you have to complete the application form by providing the necessary information. Then click the appropriate tab to move to the next section. Then you have to complete the fields with valid information, and click the appropriate tab. After successful submission, you will get a receipt acknowledgement. Please keep it safe for future reference. This application will be proceeded and verification will be done by the authorities. Later, the applicant can obtain the license from the concerned authority with the help of acknowledgement slip, or the applicant can download the license from the portal. Then there are the required documents of detailed information and in office and location section provided with the departments and contact details that need to be approached for this process. So we have provided all the information in each and every section. If you have any queries or about videos, just comment us. So we'll get back to you as soon as possible, and kindly subscribe our channel for more informative videos. Thank you.